YouTube, here it is, the last final drive in the twin stick F150. Getting ready to sell it. A couple videos I've shown. I lost my left leg. I now have a prosthetic. This is my solution to that. Let's kind of start out with the way that I normally drive it. Starting in second gear. Again, it's a granny 4-speed. There's third gear. Fourth gear. And around town, that's all I need. Alright, if you want to have some fun, you use the overdrive. A little bit rusty. Drive the truck there for a while. And if you just want to be ridiculous, there's 4 gears and we're doing 18 miles an hour. Alright, some of you folks younger than me may not know what a granny 4-speed is, or what I'm talking about when I say granny 4-speed. Well, in the older pickup trucks, they used to put 4-speed transmissions, and first gear was a granny gear, and you didn't use it most of the time. In fact, second gear is almost identically the same gear ratio as first gear in a normal transmission. There we go. So as you see, I let the clutch out in granny, and this thing just crawls. See, I can even step on the brake. Look at that. So starting out in granny gear, it's just not very practical. As soon as you get the clutch out, it's time to shift again. So in a granny 4-speed, you really only have 3 useful gears. So once again, I will demonstrate how you just drive it on a normal basis. In my previous videos, I got lots of comments. Oh my God, that's so much work. Why would you do that? Well, if I had a 5-speed, I'd have an overdrive. Well, this is only 4-speed. There's my overdrive. It just so happens if I want to, I can use it in any gear. But if you're just driving around normally, you just use the 4-speed. And then once you're up to speed on the highway, boom, there's your 5th gear. That's basically all this is. Alright, well that's the final drive in the twin stick F150. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm selling the truck. It is going bye-bye. Bought myself a newer truck because of the leg injury. It's just no longer fun to drive a stick shift, so I have traded up to an automatic pickup. That's it for now. Toodles, bye.